Take one fist of roasted chana with or without skin and eat it on empty stomach. Don't drink water for next 1 hour. Buy whole pepper and grind it at your house. Don't make excess powder to store it for later use as it will lose its essential oil. Grind equal amount of pepper and parsley. From there take 1/4 teaspoon powder, half teaspoon honey or water, half teaspoon ginger juice. Mix them and take 2 drops every 1 hour. Pepper with water is more beneficial than honey. Egg yolk is also good for asthma in winter, but egg doesn't should be blood group PP. They can't take pepper in dust form. They can put whole pepper in soup, curry, water, tea, etc. and then can eat it. Otherwise it will harm them more. Fry dry dates in ghee and take 3 to 4 times a day. It helps us to get relief from a stagnant cough in chest. Squeeze out 150 ml juice and mix it with 20 ml ginger juice and give it a boil. Take 50-50 ml of this 3 times a day. Drink hot water till you take dakar. It will help you to get relief from cough instantly. Don't do it regularly as it will cause gas and constipation. And moreover, you should not burn your tongue even slightly, as she mentioned in her recent videos that excessive hot water creates mucus and cough. Don't eat roti when you are suffering from cough and cold. Instead eat rice, khichdi or oats. Also don't eat cashew, peanut, tomatoes, mushroom, milk when you have cough.